I'm eating chocolate, so please pardon me. Okay, we're gonna play a line challenge. You know the trend?
Oh, go here. Let's go here. Come here.
Where are you?
Come here.
Oh. How, you played this before?
Yeah.
I also have a ping pong ball. Oh, it's my turn. It's wait, holy! I forgot to freaking turn on my volume. Oh my god! Turn on your volume. Wait, hold on. Let me help you. We're so stupid. We forgot about that. Okay. Drop it. That's not. Did you see my screen? No, I swear I didn't. That's not a fucking. That's not a shake it. Yeah, ping pong ball. That's a ping. Turn it on. Turn your ping pong ball on. Wait. What did you choose that I have? Wait. What did you choose that I have? I thought we were starting another round, and I just clicked balloon randomly.
I didn't know you had a balloon.
Wow.
Okay, again.
Holy shit, you just looked at my screen.
Oh, I can't see your screen.
Choose the item I would have.
I know what you have.
Is that a
It's
fucking
something
pole?
long. Yours looks like a pole. You
I know what you have.
Is that a fucking pole?
know what else looks like a pole?
You know what sucks? It shows you the shape of your object, so you can't claim it.
You can't claim to have a ping pong ball if it's like.
Wait, you might be telling the truth.
Nope.
What did you ask?
Turn it on.
Nope.
That's my pen.
Wait, what the heck?
I think my opponent. I don't fucking know what my opponent had, bro.
I don't fucking know what my opponent had, bro. I picked water bottle.
Correct. We both got the same thing?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go again.
Yeah.
How many rounds should we do? This is our third round.
I'll choose it again.
Okay. Let me make this really hard for you.
Okay.
That is not a fucking duck. That's a microwave. What the fuck?
Have a dice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I know I do.
It's a duck.
What the fuck?
You do have a dice.
More? Yeah.
Do I? Yeah, I do. Turn on your item. Oh, fuck.
It's a dice. I think you have a fucking microwave, but that's not an option, is it?
Did you pick?
Oh, you had a fucking shoe?
Mm-hmm.
Did you guess right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what does the black look like for you? Oh,
The black,
okay.
it's just like a huge ass square. Okay, I don't have money.
What do you want to do now?
You want to end the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Outro.
So we're gonna go now
Tell us what you want us to play next.
because we kind of ran out. We kind of ran out of fucking ideas.
Amanda the event.
Sorry, Roblox, don't ban me. Bye guys. We love you.